When does a home soda machine become more environmentally friendly than buying single-serve plastic bottles? Let's take a look. So we have glass, aluminum, and the single-serve plastic bottles of two sizes here that we have evaluated. We're looking at this single-serve PET bottle of half a liter, which is about 16.9 ounces. That's the typical handheld size you're going to get when you're at a restaurant or buying at a convenience store. And it's going to take about 67 liters of soda created through your soda stream, your home soda machine, before it becomes more environmentally friendly than these bottles. So that works out to be about 134 of these bottles. 67 liters, 134 bottles. You'd have to essentially displace 134 of these half-liter bottles using your own soda machine before the soda machine becomes more environmentally friendly. That's the break-even point. How long would this take? That depends on how much soda you're drinking. So the more soda you're drinking, then the fewer number of days it's going to take to reach that break-even point. Let's take a look at a couple scenarios starting with 1 bottle per week. So if you're drinking only 1 bottle per week, it's going to take you over 2.5 years to reach that break-even point of becoming more environmentally friendly. Now, if you're drinking a bottle every other day and you start displacing that by creating your own soda at home, within 9 months, you'll be more environmentally friendly. And every soda drink you have after that, created by your soda machine at home, will result in you having a smaller environmental footprint. And if you drink 1 bottle every day, it'll only take you about 4.5 months. Now, at the extremes here, if you're drinking 6 bottles per day, which is quite a bit of soda, in which case you're probably not drinking out of bottles. You're more likely drinking out of cans, or at least getting 2-liter bottles, which we'll go over in different scenarios. That would only take you about 3 weeks. How much plastic is going to be diverted by switching over to a soda stream? This is where we see the biggest difference. So we can see here that for the half-liter bottles, the plastic from those bottles is going to add up very quickly. The number of bottles is going to skyrocket, obviously, the more that you drink. However, with the soda stream, because you just have the machine and the reusable bottles, the only additional plastic is really going to be the plastic from these refill bottles. So the number of those bottles, you don't need nearly as many per serving, is going to be much, much lower. So this difference here could be the environmental footprint, your personal plastic footprint that is being saved by switching from plastic bottles to a home soda machine. But let's also take a look at the economics of this. How much is it going to cost to be more environmentally friendly, to reduce our plastic output? Well, if we're looking at buying 6 packs of these half-liter bottles, you'd essentially have to buy 22 packs to get to the 67-liter or 134 bottle break-even point. Since you can only buy them as 6 packs, that turns out to be about 138 bottles, and that costs $115. Now, on the other hand, if you're getting the soda stream, you'd have to get the starter pack, and then just 1 refill pack will get you to that break-even point. So that's going to cost you close to $200. So it is a bit more expensive to be more environmentally friendly, in this case, at least to reach the break-even point. But as we'll see in our next video, you can also make this more economical as well.